here.
This is what they fear in Florida. Fierce winds from Tropical Storm Erica hammering the Dominican Republic.
The wind's picking up, the rain's starting to get heavy.
Erica wreaked havoc on the island of Dominica, washing out roads and bridges. At least 20 reported dead. At least 200,000 left without power in Puerto Rico.
This could be a very serious problem for Haiti and for the Dominican Republic. It doesn't take a strong storm there to create mudslides and create a large loss of life.
The projected track of the storm moving up Florida's west coast. Governor Rick Scott has declared a state of emergency.
The biggest concern now is, one, we don't know how much land it's going to go over. We don't know how much water we're going to get.
And he issued this warning.
Make sure every member of your family is ready. Your parents, your children, your grandchildren, do you have a plan?
Across Florida, traffic jams at gas stations. Bottled water, a hot commodity.
I went to Walmart and they were all cleaned out.
Some shoppers found empty shelves while others lucked out.
A lot of places out of water, and I took a chance coming early. Hopefully there would be some, and there was some.
Not everyone walked away happy.
They ran out of propane.
Yeah, I'm pretty upset. There's no propane.
The best case scenario has Erica weakening into a tropical depression before it hits Florida. Chuck Sievertson, ABC News, New York.
Meteorologist Steve Rudin joining us now, and I know you just got the latest numbers as far as where this thing is moving towards.
Yeah, and and some good news here is that it's not going to come ashore, at least it looks like right now, as a hurricane, and it's going to weaken dramatically as it heads over Cuba over the next couple of days. So we're talking about something that's going to happen here Monday and Tuesday. So we have to get through the whole weekend. Exactly. This is what Erica looks like right now, just over Haiti, Dominican Republic, and you can see Cuba on the left-hand side of your screen. It's really mountainous in Cuba, and that's going to help rip this storm apart a little bit, but still heavy rains are going to fall. And this is the latest track for you. We have winds at 45 miles per hour, 11 o'clock, just over Haiti. But look what happens as we head through the next couple of days. It's eventually going to reemerge off the northern coast of Cuba, and it will stay in the Gulf of Mexico, but this time it's pushing a little bit further off toward the west. Yesterday at this time, it was off the east coast of Florida, now further to the west. We'll watch this for you over the coming days, but right now it looks like a big rainmaker for parts of North Florida and to southern Georgia as we move into early next week. For us, though, it will be a much different story here in Washington. What a beautiful few days we have had here. 73 degrees right now at Reagan National Airport. Excuse me, winds are out of the south at 5 miles per hour. Humidity, we can deal with this. Not so bad. It's comfortable, but that's going to change, especially as we move into the next couple of days. High today made it up to 83 degrees. Our average is 85. If your allergies are bothering you, ragweed is to blame. Now in the high category. Nighttime lows will be in the upper 50s, northern and western suburbs. Closer you are to the district, you'll see temperatures around 60 to 65 degrees with a little bit of patchy fog developing come early tomorrow morning. Patchy fog mainly in the mountainous areas off to the west of us. Nothing that's going to cause any delays come tomorrow morning. It's going to burn off rather quickly. This is what our futurecast looks like tomorrow afternoon. Sunglasses, absolutely. You will need it. This model wants to pick up a few stray showers across the Shenandoah, but once again, not going to amount to a whole lot. And we'll see the same thing for the day on Sunday, but even warmer air moves across the mid-Atlantic. We're talking high temperatures in the lower 90s with feels like temperatures even hotter than that. 88 for a high tomorrow, mostly sunny, warm and humid. Winds will be out of the south at 4 to 8. Beach forecast looks great for Ocean City. Water temperature around 80 degrees. Air temperature lower 80s. A little bit warmer for the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Daytime highs 82 to 83 degrees with a chance for a few pop-up thunderstorms. Take you out with a look at the 7-day outlook. We're talking 90s Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's not going to feel like the end of August or early September around here. And the humidity, the heat index values will likely make it feel even hotter than that.
When it gets cool like this in fall weather, you start thinking about football.
Right.
When we start thinking about football, we start thinking about the Skins.
Washington Redskins. Well, if you're looking forward to seeing Robert Griffin III in that preseason game against the Ravens, not going to happen. In fact, we most likely have seen the last of Robert Griffin III for the preseason. I will tell you exactly why a doctor thinks it's best in the interest of the team and the player to shut Robert Griffin III down.
Ford Free Ride is on. Get 0% financing for 72 months for qualified buyers on every 2015 car, SUV, and truck. Plus $1,000